So real quick, we are coming up on our flippin' frenzy, and I wanted to share what I got in my box from Julie before I go ahead and film. I'm actually gonna be filming today and tomorrow, and I wanna make sure that you all get a chance to see all these items first, because sometimes when we're limited on our video length, I don't always get to be able to show you everything first. So let me unpack my box. I did do a quick untaping, and let's look at what we got. I'm so excited. Oh, you guys, look how great this is. I love it. It is missing a little knob on the foot, so we're either gonna have to remove some of these or add something else there. Ooh, and there's stuff in it. Ooh, you guys, this is actually like ceramic. It's vintage Japan. That'll be fun. There's paper. Oh, this is cute. We've got this little canister. It's like one of those boxes. This will be fun to upcycle. It had a candle in it. Hoo-hoo. This will be fun. I always love stuff like that. Ooh, and a sign. Oh, loving this. Ooh, you guys. And another vintage box. Oh, this is gonna be good. Julie, you outdid yourself. You gave me some amazing pieces to work with, and I cannot wait. You guys, these videos will be coming out this won't be next week when you see this. They are coming out Wednesday and Thursday, and you guys will get to see all of these transformed into something different, and I can't wait to take you along on the journey. Stay tuned.